Ethereum Blockchain's new Bitcoin will sell out. Mollars ICO now past 65% sold. Ethereum Blockchain got its own new Bitcoin flying under the radar, kind of. Publications like CryptoNews, BitcoinInsider, and CryptoPotato have all mentioned the token. But just as the initial coin offering for BTC in 2011, the new store value asset has a token presale that's drawn uncertainty from investors. However, now it's 65% sold out. Perhaps it's time for crypto traders to pay attention to Mollars token presale before the last 35% is gone. Mollars has no reason to scam. Here's why it will launch next month. Anytime a new token comes along, doubt is a natural part of the consumer review. However, there are key factors that separate Mollars from the rug pulls and scams. It is no reason to not launch. First, Mollars' white papers makes it clear what the founder of the token and developers get from launching this token. And they will not hide wallets like Bitcoin's founder Satoshi or Shiba Inu founder Ryoshi. The tokenomics of the project show that professionals involved with the token will be paid from token presale funds. It's not a back-end project like 90% of cryptocurrencies today. Why are the professionals involved earning in the beginning? It's simple. The public will truly own Mollars tokens in its entirety. This is the ultimate decentralization and what even Bitcoin fails to offer. Buying tokens will be an equal opportunity, and there will be no wallets holding millions of tokens, leeching from the liquidity pool that develops later. Security, speed, and low fees will be of the utmost value for everyone, including the founders and developers of Mollars. They will earn from the project, but if they want to own a part of its future, the creators behind this project will have to spend and be affected by market trends just as any other person. It may seem simple, but that level of decentralization is important. What is Satoshi Nakamoto's net worth, and how does it affect Bitcoin's future? In comparison, Satoshi Nakamoto, who claimed to be doing crypto for the people, has been called out for having 1 million Bitcoins in a stashed wallet. The massive supply is just under 5% of the 21 million Bitcoins that will ever be made. Satoshi, whoever he is, can influence the market by selling all his tokens at any given moment. Satoshi's supply makes him a very heavy force, and with no one confirming who he is, the token could be a creation of a world government from today. Why not? The value of Nakamoto's 1 million Bitcoins today would be over $64 billion. The massive sum would make him one of the richest people in the world, with a net worth of just under 30% of Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk. The staggering amount would suggest, if not confirm, Satoshi Nakamoto created the digital asset to make himself rich, not for the people. Bitcoin has a market cap value of over $1.2 trillion, however, so it wouldn't dent the market forever if Satoshi sold all of his bag, probably. And on a higher positive note, he still invented the digital currency niche, so still any decentralized currency like Mollars takes inspiration from his efforts. How much SHIB does Ryoshi of Shiba Inu token have? Ryoshi and Satoshi Kusama, founder and lead developer of Shiba Inu SHIB token, is said to have a similar supply, but the actual numbers are not yet clear. The SHIB army exposed developers and the founder for having billions of dollars in several different wallets, many of which have been inactive since Shiba Inu's ICO launch. It said between the two, 17% of the total supply has been privately held since the token's presale launch in 2019, with the current market cap of Shiba Inu being reported at $14.9 billion. This would give Ryoshi and Satoshi Kusama a net worth of around $2.5 billion. This amount would not make them two of the richest people in the world, but it's still generational wealth. And that $2.5 billion net worth would still be gained in a way that was not overtly transparent to crypto traders who bought Shiba Inu SHIB tokens, believing in the concept of decentralization. On the positive side, however, those that invested in Shiba Inu SHIB during its ICO stage just 5 years ago can't complain. Many of them have since become a lot richer as well. A recent report on Coinpedia estimates a $100 ICO investment would be worth over $2.5 million today. Crypto on Reddit. However, it's also key to remember when trading commodities that for every winner there has to be a loser. For Satoshi and Ryoshi to win, cashing out these tokens at any point, someone has to lose, a point made clear by Mollars founder on Reddit today. Mollars has built a substantial following on the Reddit platform with nearly 2,600 followers. Another testament to how strong the support for the Ethereum blockchain's new Bitcoin has become. There's another 12,000 or so followers between Mollars' other social media profiles, X formerly Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. How many Mollars should you buy? With only 4 million tokens available during the presale and 10 million available all-time, these social media factors are a strong indicator of an imminent sellout. Whole dollar Mollars tokens will likely not be as inexpensive as today during its presale. 55 cents. About 15,000 followers on social media have purchased 2,586,382 Mollars tokens in the span of about 6 months. This is an average of 431,063 tokens being sold per month. The average holding per person is just under 172 tokens. With a remaining supply of 7 5 million tokens. Mollars' total token supply could be gone in the early months of 2025 based on these analytics. After that sellout point, the price of whole tokens will likely skyrocket from today's offering of 55 cents, and traders will instead get fractions of a whole token for the same price, very small fractions. Price projections for the Mollars token suggest it could increase by as much as 2,400% or at 20 forks by the end of 2024. Such growth is much dependent on the work of the per-plan marketing for the store value assets post-launch cycle. Ethereum blockchain users will be buying malls instead of Mollars for same price. In the future as well, 1/100th of a whole Mollars token will be known as a mall. If the 20 forks price projection materializes, this means a Mollars token would reach the value of $12 USD. At that point, a mall or fractional would cost just around 12 cents. For the ICO price of today, a user will only get 8 malls, fractional pieces of a whole dollar Mollars token. Such demand is predictably a way that the price of Mollars would go into a hyper-parabolic uptrend. In the case of Mollars going into a hyperbolic uptrend, which both Bitcoin BTC and Shiba Inu SHIB have both done, the 20 forks projections by crypto analysts would look minuscule. Why Mollars price could see parabolic uptrend. With over $9 million raised in funding and a structured marketing plan to execute post-launch on crypto exchanges, this parabolic uptrend does not seem unfathomable. In fact, it seems more likely than unlikely. Crypto brands that start off with such massive sums from their presale tend to do extremely well once on public crypto exchanges. Mollars, if this token presale moves the maximum supply available in this ICO, will flex a healthy $1 million liquidity pool alongside a high-level marketing team. With the increase in branding value and liquidity, the token should be stable enough to continue expanding to other crypto exchanges beyond its first and gain the attention of major sexes as it progresses. The Mollars token price should correlate to that growth and could meet an explosive point in or around June 2024. It's at this point the Mollars cryptocurrency exchange is expected to launch, which could increase scarcity of the store value asset. The decentralized exchange will rely on Mollars tokens to complete cross-blockchain exchanges in some capacity. An ERC20 altcoin that's different. The use case and scarcity is something neither Bitcoin BTC nor Shiba Inu SHIB will do. And this will be the first cryptocurrency of its kind where the owners and developers step away from the token, leaving it ownerless while allowing no tokens from the total supply to be kept free. And beyond the crypto DEX utility, Mollars is still a low-volume store of value digital asset. Only 10 million tokens will be minted total. 4 million are being sold during presale. Currently at 55 cents, if the ICO sells another few 100,000 coins, it will go into its 6th and final round. In the 6th round, the Mollars token will cost 60 cents and mark the final opportunity to buy the new Bitcoin for Ethereum blockchain before it launches on a public crypto exchange. Being an ERC20 token, Mollars will actually offer crypto investors massive savings of up to 80% on trade transactions, buy, sell, and convert. Based on the Ethereum blockchain, the Mollars token will be a layer 2 altcoin that operates faster than Bitcoin and completes transactions for much lower fees. The Mollars token presale will close at the end of April, in 3 days. Over 2.5 million tokens have been pre-sold as crypto traders anticipate the launch of the new store of value altcoin. Follow us on Google News.